you eat potatoes? Do you like them? Potatoes are part of many dishes and are found in many people's diets. Did you know that they are the world's fourth most consumed food behind rice, wheat, and corn? Incredible, isn't it? Did you know that potatoes can help in the treatment of gastric problems, like gastritis and duodenitis? Potato juice alleviates the symptoms of gastritis and ulcers thanks to its power of neutralizing stomach acidity. Drinking potato water, as many people do, isn't very pleasant. So let's learn 3 potato juice recipes that are more flavorful and will help your body. Recipe with yellow potato. 1/2 yellow potato, 1 tablespoon mint, 1 tablespoon fennel, 1 dessert spoon honey. Peel the potato and grate it. Using a clean cheesecloth, squeeze the grated potato. You can also use a sieve to extract the water. Store it in the fridge. Make a fennel and mint tea as you like. Wait for it to cool down, then mix the tea with the potato water. Drink right after, preferably on an empty stomach. You can drink up to 3 times a day. Recipe with Yukon Potato. 1 thick slice Yukon potato, 1 tablespoon mint, 1/2 glass coconut water. Honey and ice, optional. Put the potato and coconut water in a blender and blend until smooth. Make a mint tea, wait until it cools down, then mix with potato juice. Put it in a blender once more and add ice and honey if you want. You can drink up to 2 glasses of this juice a day to alleviate the symptoms of gastritis. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Recipe with sweet potato. 1 sweet potato, medium, 34 ounces filtered water, 2 tablespoons honey. Peel the sweet potato and slice it. Let the potato soak in some water for 15 minutes. In a blender, add the sweet potato and 34 ounces of water. Blend until thick and smooth. Strain and add some honey if you want. Keep it in the fridge and drink throughout the day. Could you imagine that potatoes could be used to treat digestive system diseases? But it is worth remembering that no homemade recipe, in this case with potatoes, can replace the treatment prescribed by a qualified health professional. When in doubt, always talk to a doctor. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.